Welcome. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable media previews in the X mobile app, helping you enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free feed. If you prefer not to see images or videos automatically appearing as you scroll, these simple steps will take care of it. First, open the X app on your phone to get started. You'll land on the main screen where you can begin the customization. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This will open a menu where you can access your personal settings. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section lets you manage many aspects of your X app experience. In the Settings list, find and tap Accessibility, Display, and Language. This is where you control how content is shown on your device. Within this section, tap on Display. Here you'll find several options related to your visual experience on X. Finally, locate the Media Previews option and toggle it off. Once disabled, images and videos will no longer automatically load in your feed, providing a tidier and faster browsing session. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, open the app, tap your profile, go to Settings and Privacy, then Accessibility, Display and Language, then Display, and toggle off Media Previews, you've taken control over what you see on X.